To start the process on the LiquidFlow 30M machine, we need to fill the reservoirs with material. So there's two clamps on the top of the lid. We'll undo the two clamps on the lid. In this particular case, we have the agitator that we will disconnect. We disconnect the agitator and we will just move the lid over to one side. Once we have our material, we have to make sure we have the gloves, the goggles and the full PPE before we start to put the material in the machine. Simply load the material in the machine. Once you've filled the tank to the level that you want, we'll replace the lid, making sure the clamps are in place, and then we will re-plug in the agitator. Now we'll fill the Part A reservoir, we'll fill the Part B reservoir. So again, removing the clamps. In this case there's no agitator, so we can just take the lid off. Take our material. Now we've filled the Part B reservoir up to the level that we need. We replace the lid and the clamps. Now we are ready to run the machine.